Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Please, if you're new to this channel, just hit the subscribe button and turn on post notification bell icon. I want to show you guys my Sportybet account. You can see how it is good. You can see what we've been winning. You can just take a very good look at the date. Even yesterday, we won game yesterday. Let me just refresh and show you guys. Okay, you can see the date on the 5th of March. You can see 5th of March was so good, and then on the 4th also the same, as you can see. So this is my Sportybet account, guys. Love up. And I'm not the one booking these games. I joined Oking betting center, and that is where I get my games. I subscribe to their VIP group on WhatsApp, so they give me games which I play, and that's how I was able to become this. So if you want to join them, just drop your comment. I'll drop their contact for you. You chat with them on WhatsApp and then join their VIP group where you get all games. It has been so good.